Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrencies and discussing the risks involved. So, if you're curious about the downsides of investing in digital currencies, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, have gained a lot of attention lately. But they come with risks. The first risk is market volatility. Unlike regular money, cryptocurrencies can go up and down in value very quickly. For example, Bitcoin went from $20,000 to $3,000 in just 1 year. These unpredictable changes can be scary for new investors. The second risk is security. Since cryptocurrencies are stored online, they can be vulnerable to hackers. There have been cases where millions of dollars worth of digital coins were stolen. While technology has improved security, hackers are always finding new ways to break in. So, it's important to be cautious and use strong security measures. Finally, there's regulatory uncertainty. Cryptocurrencies operate in a space with unclear rules and regulations. Governments and banks are still figuring out how to deal with them. This uncertainty can affect the value and legality of cryptocurrencies in different places. So, it's important to keep up with the laws in your area. Before we wrap up, let's talk about one more thing: regulatory uncertainty. The rules around cryptocurrencies are still being worked out, and they can vary from country to country. Some governments may restrict or regulate cryptocurrencies, which could impact their value. Stay informed about the regulations where you live. In conclusion, cryptocurrencies offer exciting opportunities, but they also have risks. Market volatility can lead to big losses, and security is a concern due to the possibility of hacking. Additionally, regulatory uncertainty adds another layer of risk. It's important to do your research, diversify your investments, and only invest what you can afford to lose. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more finance and technology content. And remember, always consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.